In the previous video, I've created a robot to solve this this challenge using type into activities, as you can see. But now I want to tell you that there is additional ways to make this, to solve this. I think it will depend on the environment, but you could also use parallel activity to increase a little bit type intos. So you need to move all those type intos into one parallel, and also this, and this select, click, and this if. But click register need to be placed separately out of out of parallel activity. It will increase the processing speed a little bit, but all depends on the environment. Next possible way is to use, instead of type intos, set attribute. So you will just need to set text attribute of each element. But now I want to show you how to increase speed a lot. So I will use this inject.js. I command this into. Oh, yes, this one. Fill the form. Okay, the idea is very simple. So I'm refreshing the page. Okay, let's pick any element. For example, zip code. So we've got good selector with ID, and as I found documentation, it's possible to set value in some cases of the inputs. So get element by ID, sorry, value equal zip code. As you can see, I've changed this. For elements like radio buttons and checkboxes, there is click. So let me show you on this ID NDA. So once again, console NDA, and let's perform click. Voila, magic. Now let's do the very interesting part. Okay, let's start from picking up the I don't know, place where we'll insert our JS code. So now let's create a function which will type all info. Okay, and let's initialize a variable NDA, which I will use at the end of the script. Current row on exposure on file. This is, as you remember, name of the column. Lower invariant, and then next I will close this quote, semicolon, as the end of the signing variable. Oh, sorry, forgot the plus symbol. Now let's start working with filling the input fields. get element by ID. First will be customer name, I think. Value equal single quote, double quote, current row, company name, string, and go to the next line. Let's copy paste this. Why I'm not using string format? Because in this case it's much easier to read such construction than string format. Because in string format there will be a lot of placeholders. I think 7 or more. Okay, customer name, customer ID, and then let's change here. Then we change primary contact and then primary contact. The next will be read. How it calls street or street address? I forgot. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, street address. Street address. Next, go city. Then let's change the state. Oh, sorry. State. State. Zip code. Zip code. And the last one, we type email. And it will be email address. Okay, next. Next we will need to click one of these. So I will use previously created part of the previously created selector. Okay, let's navigate here. Yes, this one. Okay. Oh. So I will remove. Oh, sorry. Okay. Now I will remove this part and change a little bit the custom selector. So because we need only ID, I will remove all of this and I will leave only this part. So the bot will apply, set here the value of active discount and plus value of offer discounts, something like this. And the last one will be if, oh, sorry, not if, I think I need to close this. Yes. Oh, sorry. Click. Yeah. Now I will check or uncheck or not check NDA checkbox. So if NDA, which I've assigned at the start of this function, equal to yes, then the bot will need to click get element by ID NDA click else, do nothing. And at the end, what click document and get element and by ID. I think it's submit button. Click and that's all. So let's check. Okay, I will close this file. On it. Close this. Let's run it. Let's cross the fingers. Okay. Don't forget, I'm running on very slow virtual machine, so may work a little bit slower. Okay. So, the bot was unable to set one of the values. Okay. Let's check company ID. Company ID, let's check this variable. Oh, sorry, row value. I think I've made a mistake, mistype. Sorry, customer. This is customer ID. Sorry. Okay. Don't save. Customer ID instead of company ID. So let's run it again with file download. Bot opens browser, downloads file, and yeah, a little bit of magic. So this speed is slow because of my virtual machine, but if you try on your environment, I think it will be much faster. Also, let's remember this. By the way, can I check this? Hey, screenshot, possibly. So let's try to run this without file download, because in case of virtual machine, it will take additional time. Okay, for 27 seconds. I've closed previously open page, so the bot reads already downloaded file. And as you can see, the time is much better. But once again, when I run on my desktop, the speed was, I think, double faster. It was double faster. You can check the screenshots. Thanks for watching. Bye.